So microservice securities. So what is the need and what are the different challenges? So we have seen these two challenges, right? When we are accessing different clients are accessing and user should not be asked multiple times here, right? There are other challenges at for encryption and decryption. Also, you are talking about uh, accessing into a networks, right? And for securing your microservices at the network level also. And when we are connecting from any third party application is connecting to your microservice, how you will secure, right? And this communication here. So one thing is that tokens. So token is what we can say can provide the solutions for identifying the user and is stored in the form of cookies. So these tokens we can use it, right? If you wanted to really get that access, particularly to a user here. Each time client requests a web page, the request is forwarded to the server and server determines whether the user has accessed the requested resource or not. Correct. So something we call as a JWT, right? Java Web Tokens, right? So we are talking about how Java Web Tokens, JWT is basically is helping us and it is working here. So it is stored in the form of cookies. And main problem is token when the user inform is stored. So the data of the tokens need to be encrypted to avoid the exploitation from the third party request, right? So Java Web format here is most commonly known as JWT, is open standard, defines the token format here. So this is all about the JWT when particularly we can authenticate a particular user here.